Duka kuu la Quickmart Supermarket limeweza kutoa taarifa kulingana na jinsi ambavyo limepata kuathirika na kitita cha shilingi milioni 94 zilizopata kuibiwa na wafanyakazi wa kampuni ya Wells Fargo ambao mpaka wa sasa inaaminika hawajatiwa mbaroni kama jinsi ambavyo tulikuwa tumefahamishwa hapo kitambo ya kwamba mmoja wao amepata kukamatwa. Mkiniruhusu ni bandili ndimi kidogo. Quickmart Supermarket on Wednesday, November 8th dismissed claims that it was struggling to remain afloat after losing 94 million. In a statement, Quickmart insisted that the operations were running as normal despite the haste which was allegedly orchestrated by Wells Fargo, a security firm employees. The retailer assured all stakeholders that the investigations had been launched to arrest the perpetrators. Moreover, Quickmart announced that it had insured its finances against such losses. Quickmart Supermarket, as a reputable homegrown company, insures its finances against such incidents. We would like to ensure that all relevant relations that these occurrences will not disrupt our daily operations, Quickmart's statement read in part. Further, Quickmart indicated that the money was under the custody of Wells Fargo employees at the time of the incident. To help track the suspects, DCI released their photos while appealing for public aid. The two reportedly left without police company and dumped the Wells Fargo car before transferring the cash into another vehicle and disappearing into thin air. Until now, their whereabouts are unknown to the authorities and also to their employees and their families too, because their families are being grilled by the DCI to provide any known information in regards to where these men are. That's what's up. Make sure you subscribe to FM Show KE. See you in the next video.